Finding cube root in a quick manner can be very important for the fast calculations in any competitive exam. Let us see how to find the cube root of a number. The cube root of a number is another number that, when multiplied 3 times, makes the first number. For example, the cube root of 27 is 3. Because 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. Now, let us find the cube root of 39,304 through a shortcut method involving 4 steps. Step 1. To find the unit place of the cube root, always remember the following points. If the last digit or a cube root is 8, then the unit digit will be 2. If the last digit of a cube root is 2, then the unit digit will be 8. If the last digit of a cube root is 3, then the unit digit will be 7. If the last digit of a cube root is 7, then the unit digit will be 3. If the last digit of a cube root is other than 2, 3, 7 and 8, then put the same number as the unit digit. Therefore, the unit digit will be 4. Step 2. Now, strike off the last 3 digits of the given number. 39304. Strike off 304. Step 3. Now, find the nearest cube of the first 2 digits from the left, that is 39. The nearest cube is 27. Step 4. Now, 27 is the cube root of 3. Therefore, the tens place digit will be 3. So the answer will be 34. Another example. Let us now find the cube root of 238328 with the same method. The unit digit will be 2. Now strike off the last 3 digits of the given number. Now find the nearest cube of the first 3 digit from the left. That is 238. The nearest cube is 216. Now, 216 is the cube root of 6. Therefore, the tens place digit will be 6. So the answer is 62.